Fire is one of the most dangerous forces on Earth. Humans learn to control it, but we're not the only ones.
In Australia, certain birds called firehawks have learned something incredible. They pick up burning sticks from wildfires and drop them in fresh grass to start new fires on purpose. Why? Because fleeing insects, lizards, and rodents run straight out of the flames, right into the birds' waiting claws. Humans didn't invent fire hunting, these birds did.